Loka. Ka pa man may kain. May sakap na kain mo. Ba, tingnan pala ang compartment eh.
Oo, tingnan.
Tingnan pala ang compartment eh. Lagyan yung phone mo kain.
Oh. Oh, drive mo na eh. Tit. Mama G, mo.
Ano pa mo?
Mama G, mo. Bye-bye, may Mama G.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, mo.
Work na Mama G.
Bye-bye, mo.
Love you po.
Ojo.
Ojo.
Bye-bye, may ni Mama G. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, no! Marinak yung baby ko. Tara na.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye mo na ni Mama G.
Oh, sus, paano lang.
Mali na yan.
Mag-change na.
Bye-bye. O, bye-bye na ni Mama G.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, work na. O, sige na.
Bye.
Ay, naku. Kalikot na. Sobra yan. Sige. Baby. Bye.
Iniban. Up, iniban. Up, iniban. Hop, 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 hop.
Just out here a little bit. Yeah, well, you better pay close attention because I don't want to miss it. You worry too much. This Tesla that I brought into the shop has been a major setback financially. And right now we have a potential trade on the table that just might get this car out from underneath us.
Stand up. Stand up, baby.
Originally, Mark wanted to
Baby,
sell
stand up.
But if I can pull off a trade for some cars plus a significant amount of cash.
All
Really?
I'm saying is one badass Gotham Garage starter kit.
Really?
This thing could be anything right now. It ain't gonna be expensive, I know that. Oh, well, just put that. There's something I like. This seems so
Nini.
that's for sure.
Big bear.
That's a good thing. I could seriously make some
Happy na bunny, hop, hop, hop. Happy na bunny, hop, hop, hop.
Oh, yeah. All I'm missing is a beer.
What do we got over here? Believe it or not, I need a body for a tank, and man, this is Jimbo's obviously likes the Tesla.
Alam mo ito dila mo.
It really all boils down to how much cash is he gonna cough up for this deal. Remember, we've still got 8 people at the shop that need to get.
One, two.
Manabuya biging gilid. Hey! Wow!
Bakit mo binigyan? Kasi nga yung kataga tayo on this
Ah,
week,
what?
kaya medyo-
Dance yun?
Sa pangis.
Ah, dance. Di manabo yun.
Ito may burina yan at ang dulo-dulo.
Di manabo yun.
Pura niya, natutunog na na.
Tunog na. Burining green. Ano yung kaya lasa yan, baby?
Ate niya palaman, Nevi? Bang...
Alaya pala.
O ma, yung po niya hindi dala.
Alaya ako naman. Lagyan ko niya kayong bag. Lagyan ko niya kayong bag. Katang kapo na.
Tawag niya si Owen, no? Yung store director niya. Owen. Ador. Oh.
Stand up. Ay. Ay.
Pasita, tatay ko Ador.
Ay.
Pangalan ko Pastor.
Ay.
Diba?
Puro ginagamit
Yeah.
sa nakatawa.
Diba? So pagsasamahin mo ba yun?
Oo.
Oh. Mabubuhay ko, wala kang magagawin na nakalagay sa daan, ano sa birth certificate mo. Diba?
Kung tatay mo, Inocencio. Tapos yung nanay mo, Rodora.
Section Dora, oh.
Hi. Say hi, baby. Hi. Hi ka no. Hi.
Igaganti mo yan sa iba sa susunod na henerasyon. Pinangalan.
Hailey! Toy!
What's in the box? What's in the box? So, papunta ka kami station din.
Ika kayan may kanyan, B. Demonstrate may kayo.
Take it out, take it out, take it! Bilisan mo. Get ka. Take it out, take it out, take it!
Ah!
What's that? It's a...
Ba.
What's that? It's a...
Bus!
Yes. Ah, take it out, take it out.
Take it out.
Take it out,
Take it out. Take it. Out.
What's that? It's a...
Bunny.
Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. One more. Take it out, take it out, take it.
Out. Kanya ito.
Ano yun? Bubble pop. Oh.
Ako.
Oh, bubble.
Sama.
Oh, one more, Haley. Oh, take it out, take it out, take it.
Wow. Nebri.
Oh, one more. Atin pa. Take it out, take it out, take it.
Wow.
Ano yun? Carrots. Ito na pa mo dapat sabihin pa mo. One more.
Take it out, take it out, take it. Wow.
It's Bean Bear.
Bean Bear yan?
Bakit may handa da?
Wow, Bean Bear.
Bean Bear.
Wow, Bean Bear.
Wala mo din eh. Wala naman sounds. No more na. Out ka no, out. Out.
Wala na. O, ining next.
Okay. Palugta na ulit. Makanyang lamon eh. Saliwan la pa.
Walang siyempre din, baby, buride yan eh.
Sensorish.
Oo.
Ang pangalan ng Haley. Yun kaya may gift ka rin.
Feel ko nga itang realtor na customer ko.
Ho. No. Ayan. Haley, ah. More toy. Wow. Wow. Makakain niya.
Te,
Makakain niya on.
link eh. Ito. Pakabilis na. Hey.
Ay, ka. Pulsin niya ka na. Hey, shoot! No, push me, push. 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 Wow, Miss Rachel! Buri na yung binber.
Buri niya, Ben.
Sana makabala rin ang kantahan na yan. Pag kunwari, makastroller yun.
Patong kanina eh.
Sige.